to it on a mission. Alright, so at this point it's probably better to give you a few explanations. Indeed, those images are showing a house that is full and dirty. And that was of course not the plan. The notaris was supposed to see with the owner to empty the house before we sign and get the key. Unfortunately, he was unable to do that. Fortunately for us, he was able to get hold of the Heldebaum family and appointed them in charge of emptying the house.
So the family Heldebaum are hired to empty and not to clean the house. So in the meantime we rented an Airbnb and we only had 20 days to make it livable. Therefore I used the Gheerbrant vapor machine and got given multiple fantastic cleaning products.
Is it filling up, I think?
No, it falls down every time.
Because you have to screw there.
Okay.
Hold it. Is that the right screw? Yeah.
I took the screw out from the other one.
Huh?
I took the screw out from the other thing. There was no screw.
Okay.
You tried it though, didn't you?
No, not on my head.
Okay, so look, huh?
No, but that's the wrong screw, baby. That's it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Let's use another screw.
There is no other screw.
Yeah. There's a long black one.
A long black one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe that's better.
The battery is not working.
Huh?
The battery is not working.
What is not working?
The battery is not working, you said?
No, clearly it's not working now with the thing falling off.
L'étagère, vous la jetez ou pas?
Yeah, I'm almost start for him to be in the dust.
Yeah.
Those are almost visible.
Look, we're new. I don't know where you can use it for though.
Like downstairs, I can do can buy the rail, or they're probably there.
Yeah, we'll save it then.
Okay, what's it?
Thank you.
Yeah. And the bathtub?
Yeah, we keep that. What color is it? Is it pink? No.
Yeah, it's great, no?
Okay, then we keep it. Okay, cool.
Should we keep this one? Should we keep this?
What is it? It's a mattress. I don't
No,
want
it's
it.
not a mattress, it's an under mattress.
Yeah, she's. It's probably all full of mice.
Okay. Show us how the...
Les poubelles sont où? Les sacs poubelles. Bon, ça confond.
Sac poubelle.
C'est censé être la salle de bain familiale pour les 2 chambres en haut et les 2 chambres ici.
Les 2 chambres encore en haut?
Ouais,
Ah ouais?
5 chambres au total.
Bon.
3 salles de bain, 3 chambres.
Pas chaud, il m'a dit.
Donc là ici c'est salle de bain familiale, donc c'est le dressing familial.
Ouais.
Là c'est la chambre de ma gamine.
La chambre derrière là-bas. Ah, ça refait, faut que vous allez imaginer.
Ouais, avec des Velux, machin.
Je repasserai à l'occasion, on sait jamais.
Et là,
si
c'est
un
mon
an,
fils.
2-3 ans. Hein. T'as vu? Hop, là, t'as vu? Bon. Allez, au revoir. De l'eau, c'est bien pour... Fini, hein? Fini.
Très bien, hein?
C'est bien.
Fantastique, hein?
Je vais faire une photo de scène.
Merci beaucoup, hein?
Bah, merci à vous.
Et un bon week-end,
Oui,
hein?
vous aussi.
Et mardi ou peut-être?
Tuesday, peut-être.
Tuesday?
Ouais, Tuesday, comme on dit.
Bon, c'est good, Tuesday.
Ouais, après mercredi ou jeudi, c'est sûr.
Fantastique, fantastique.
Alright, so like at the beginning of the video, it's probably time to give you a few extra explanation. For instance, it did not happen in one day like it appeared in this video. It did not even happen in a matter of a few days, but more in a matter of a few weeks. And that's also why we're not keep showing you every room being emptied, every room being cleaned.
Thank you all for watching episode 2. Stay tuned for episode 3, where we're gonna clean out the garden again with the Heldebaum.
Thank you for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, thank you very much for commenting. We love your support, we like it. Happy days!
Happy days!